Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create shape morphing animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let me show shape layers. We have 6 shape layers, layer 1, 2, 3, 4, and also I was use pen tool for these lines, and for these rectangles I was use this rectangle render tool and ellipse tool. So first one, let's create a new null object for full element animation. Right click, new and null object. And for move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl and double click pen behind icon. So select these all of them shape layers and let's link to null object. Select null and go to enable title action save. Okay, so let's press P and move it down. Let's create new position keyframe and go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can press hold shift and click page down keyboard. And let's move it up. Go to again 10 keyframes. Let me show other way. Click time duration and write plus 10. For go to 10 keyframes and okay. And now let's move it down. Okay, let's move it down like this. Again go to 10 keyframes. Move it up. Again 10 keyframes. Move it down. Again 10 keyframes. Move it up. So we have a lot of keyframes for more bouncing animation. Select keyframes and make it easy, or click F9 and preview animation. Nice. So in this time, let's select this layer 5 and height, and also layer 6 height, and select these layers 4, 3, and 2. Let's link to layer 1. This is layer 1, this main object, and press S, open scale, click scale icon. And let's change scale for now like this and go to first second. Let's create new scale keyframe and go to here, change this 110 and this scale 90. Go to next keyframe, let's change this 95 and this 105. And go to next keyframe. Let's change 100 and this 100%. So select keyframes and make it easy. And preview animation. Nice. And let's hold Alt, select all keyframes and move to right. Okay, preview animation again. Okay, this is so smooth. So select keyframes for null object and for layer 1. Hold Alt and move to the left for speed animation. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So in this time, select this layer 5, enable, and press S, change scale 0, and let's move to right. Okay, create scale keyframe, go to 10 keyframes, change scale 110. Again, go to 10 keyframes, change 95. Again, 10 keyframe, 102. Again, 10 keyframe, 100. And make keyframes easy. And let's see. Okay, so select this layer 6. Let's enable and link to layer 5. And go to pen behind icon. Move the anchor point to here. So let's go to color, stroke color, and let's try to use color like this. Click OK. And now let's select this layer 6, press R and move to here and chain rotation like this. Go to here and let's create new rotation keyframe. Go to next keyframe, chain rotation like this, again 10 keyframes, change to left and here, change to right, and the last keyframe, change 0. And make keyframes easy. And let's move to right a little bit. Let's see. Nice, very good. Also, let's go to here, hold shift, press S. Let's create scale keyframe, go to back and change scale 0. Nice. And now select these 2 layers. Let's see timing. Okay, we can move to here. Nice. So in this time, select this layer 5 and press P. let's see timing, and create new position keyframe and go to 5 keyframes and move to like this. Go to here, move to right, and here, move to down, and here, move to here like this. And select keyframes, make it easy. And let's see animation. Okay, in this time, select this layer 6 and press R. And now we can change rotation like this for add details. Okay, and create new rotation. Go to last keyframe. Again, change like this. And here. And 0. Let's see. Okay. So in this time, let's go to 5 keyframes and select this layer 1. And let's open inside contents, rectangle 1 and rectangle path 1, and click this icon for turn off size. And let's create a size keyframe. Go to 5 keyframes and change size like this. And go to back. Let's create new position keyframe and go to here. Let's move like this. Also, we can move to down and make the keyframes easy. Let's see. Okay, so select these size keyframes, go to graph editor, we can go to click here, we can choose edit speed graph and select this graph. Let's make smooth animation. Okay, and also select position keyframe, make smooth animation. Okay, back to keyframes and select these layers 2, 3, 4. Let's see timing. And press P. Let's create new position keyframe. Go to here and move to right. And make it keyframes easy. Go to graph editor and make smooth graphs. And also let's keyframe move to left. Back to keyframes and select keyframes, move to right. And also let's select this keyframe. Let's move to left. And this move to left and this. Nice. So let's close these settings and select this layer 5. And now let's move to left this layer 5. Okay. And go to graph editor. Let's select these all keyframes, make smooth graphs. Like this. Okay, and now select this layer 6 and hold shift press S, open scale and create new scale keyframe and go to here, change scale 0 and make keyframes easy. Okay, so this is user icon and let's draw body. Go to pen tool and add one line here, click selection tool and turn off inside the color and change stroke width and color. Let's use this color and open inside contents, shape 1, stroke 1 and change round cap for smooth corners. Okay, we can change stroke width like this. Let's see these stroke widths. This is 49. Also, let's change this 49. Okay, in this time, let's go to again pen tool and add one line here, one here, and here. And choose this middle point, move to up, and hold Alt, make smooth like this. Okay, we can move to here these points. And this. Okay, select this shape layer 1, go to add and trim path. Let's close settings, open trim path here, change end to 0. Let's move to right this layer and create end keyframe and go to here, change 100 and make keyframes easy. Go to graph editor, make smooth graph and preview animation. Okay, so in this time, let's copy this trim path effect. Select this layer 2. Let's move to right. And let's timing. Okay, let's Ctrl V for paste. Press U, select keyframes, move to left, let's see timing. We can move to here. Okay. Nice. So in this time, let's select this shape layer 2, link to shape layer 1. Select shape layer 1, press S and change scale. And also this magnifier. Let's go to here and we can change scale. Hold Shift, press S, go to back and create scale keyframe and go to last keyframe and change scale like this. Also select these two layers, move to left. Okay, let's select this layer 5. We can change scale 90 and move to here. And these layers, let's move to like this. Okay, and select this shape layer 2. Let's go to pen tool, choose this point and let's move to like this. Okay, and layer 5, change scale more. And these layers moved up. Okay, select these shape layers and change strokes width. Okay, I think this is enough and move to up like this. Okay. So select these layer 5 keyframes, move to left for replace and let's see animation timing. Okay, select these two layers, let's move to right. Okay, so also select this null object and go to here. Let's create new position keyframe, go to 10 keyframes, move to up. Again, go to here, like this. And move to down again. Select keyframes, hold Alt and move to left. Let's see this time. Okay. And in this time, select this shape layer. Let's open inside contents, ellipse 1, ellipse path 1, and fill 1, and go to back. Let's create color keyframe. Go to here and use background color. Nice. So guys, that's all, and for create more dynamic style, we can add shape elements with animation composer 4. And thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.